JK flip-flop to T flip-flop. So let me get answers from you people. I want answers from you people. Kindly be louder for whatever you are telling, because first thing what I have to do is so what will be then I'm going to.
Ma'am, we can't able to hear your voice.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Is it low or muted?
Yes. Ma'am, in between it becomes really low.
Okay, fine. Now it's very, should I speak more? Or this is enough?
We can't hear you, ma'am.
You can't hear me at all.
Ma'am, it's like coming and going, your voice. Like it sometimes
The
it's
voice
loud
is
and
fading out, ma'am.
yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, then just hold on. I'll put my earphone. Just hold on. Students, now I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is low.
I can't do anything else here. Now is it okay?
Still low, ma'am.
Still low. What can I do? I have increased my volume to the peak. Okay, let's see. While going, I'll see how is it. Now I think you have to listen. You have to observe and listen. So now we'll continue with QT plus 1. So this is the main thing for us. Structure is this. So what is your input side? What should I write, T or JK? What should I write my left-hand side of these values? Should I write T or should I write JK?
T, ma'am.
T. So I should write from T. I have to see how will I design my JK. So this will be my input. Now I know since there's only two different variables of these two, it will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Can you fill the excitation table for me for JK first? Can you please tell me the value? I want answers from your side. I'm not going to write anything now. So answers from your side. Fill the JK.
0, 0 is 0 and don't care.
0 don't
0,
care.
1 don't care.
1 don't care.
Don't care
0.
1.
1 don't care 1.
Don't care
Don't
1.
care 1.
And then
Don't care 0.
Don't get 0.
very good. Can you fill me that T's excitation?
0.
0,
0, 1, 1.
1,
1, 0, 1,
1,
0.
0. Very good. Okay, now we have both. Now we have to write the truth table. So we should write for J, we have to write for K, we have to write the equation. What will be the equation that we have to design so that T can be as an input? Coming to a point where you know, we'll go and add a screen, let this be. We know, generally we know, because of the disadvantage of JK, we drew T flip-flop. How did we draw a T flip-flop? With J and K, QT and QT bar, we drawed with a clock pulse, we drawed just converting the T's input directly to J and K. We know how we designed, yes or no? This is how we designed because there was a disadvantage of toggling state in JK. We just, why do we have that? We took out the intermediate one because we already have a D flip-flop. Let's take the common inputs 1 1 and 0 1 0 0. So that time what happened? We already know how to design a JK flip-flop for T, from JK flip-flop to T. But now logically we are going to design an equation for it and we have to proceed. So the same kind of circuit we have to give. Let us see whether we are getting the same type. The slide 1 is the truth table. The slide 2 is our imaginary, which we already learned. Now slide 3, what we will put is, we will do it now. Okay, now let's write an equation for J. So we'll write an equation for, always remember, we have to write an equation for output expressions, output variables only. So according to this timetable, if you're seeing which is the output, this whole thing is an input. This is the output. One is J, another one is K. So for J, we have to write an equation. For K, we have to write an equation, so that with these two inputs, we have to write. So go to that, this one, we have T, we have T, and we have QT. So now we know this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Now for 0, 0, what is the value? Just go to the table. 0, 0, we have, J has
0.
We have 0. 0. Next, for 0, 1. For 0, 1, we have 1. For other two, it is don't care. So we have 1 and we have don't care. Now what we can write the truth table? Here we have 0, here we have 1, here we have 0, here we have 1. Is this correct? I don't think this is correct. It should come the other way. We have entered the wrong values. 1 second. Coming to, this is T. Coming to, this is 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, this is J and K. 0, 1, where 0 and 1, last one, not this one. 0 and 1,
Okay.
last one, don't care. Go to that particular, this one, right? Don't care. Next, 1, 0, it should be?
1.
Okay.
1.
1 and 1, 1, don't care. Okay.
Yeah.
Now tell me, now it will be one pair that we are going to design. So J is equals to T, that is 1. See, so J is equals to T. If you, sorry, J is equals to T. If you just go and see the circuit also, we have given a direct input to J. Our assumption circuit also, which we drew when types of circuit, types of flip-flop we learned, there we see we are directly connected to J. Now let us see how we are connecting even K also to directly. So K, go to K, tell me all the variables of K, J and QT. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. What is 0, 0? Can you please tell me what is 0, 0?
Don't care.
Don't care.
0, 1,
0.
0. 1, 0,
Don't care.
don't care. 1, 1, 1. So now you see we are going to write again. The last two can be the forming this one, and therefore K is equals to T. Now both is equals. Now if you draw the flip-flop, let us draw the flip-flop. It is J which we are drawing. J, K, Q, 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 Q bar. Now we have to give the input J. So T, where they both are being connected and it becomes T and you have a clock pulse. So is this the same flip-flop which we drew here also? So without the knowledge, just blindly with the table and all that, we drew the same thing. Now with the equations and with the table formation also, we got the same thing. So JK can be converted with T like this. Understood, students? No, ma'am? No, ma'am? Can somebody answer? I'm waiting.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me ask somebody. Okay. Ashwin,
Yes, ma'am.
understood?
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
Akash? Akash? Bhavana Shri?
Yes, ma'am. I
Are you in
understood,
class?
ma'am.
Understood. Okay. Can we go for the next type of conversion? I want answers pakka from you people and I need to design. Okay. Now the next kind of flip-flop that we are going to design is, I'm going to clear all the drawings. Okay. Let me draw. Now we are going to design. We are going to design JK flip-flop by using D flip-flop. JK to D. We are going to convert a JK flip-flop for D flip-flop. So what is the first thing we have to do? We have to write QT plus 1. And we have to write this side K and J. This side we are going to write D. I want answers from you people only. I'm not going to do anything. Step by step, you people are going to tell me the answer. Now I'm going to write here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Now tell me when it is 0, 0, what to write in JK?
0 don't care.
0 don't care.
1 don't care.
1 don't care.
Don't care
Don't
1.
care
Don't
1.
care 0.
Don't care 1 and don't
Don't care 0.
Very nice. Okay, for D flip-flop, you tell me.
0 1 0
0.
1.
0, 1, 0, 1. Okay.
0 1.
Very, very good students. Okay, so now we have drawn the truth table. From this truth table, we have to write the equations. For what we have to write the equations? For the output side. Which is the output side? For J and K, we have to write the equations. So I'll add one more. And now I will write J is equals to, I will draw the K map. So D, QT, I will draw the table. Now tell me 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now tell me what is the value for 0, 0?
0. 0.
0, 1, 0, 1. For 0, what I'll write? 0. For 1?
Don't care.
Don't care. For 1, 0, that is 2.
1.
1. And for 1, 1?
Don't care.
Don't care. Okay. Before writing the equation, I will write for K also. Okay. Now tell me D, QT. Now write 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now tell for 0, 0.
Don't care.
Don't care.
Don't care.
Don't care.
1.
1.
No, ma'am. For
Wrong.
1, it is 1.
For 1, it is 1. No, I think somewhere wrong. Okay. For 1, it is 1. And then?
For 2, it is don't care.
For 2, it is don't care. And for 3, it is 0. Is it correct?
0.
Okay, fine. Now let's write the equation for. Now let us write the equation.
1 0 it is x.
1, 0. It is x. 1, 0 is x only. Or 1, 0 is x only. 2.
But you have written 1, ma'am.
No, yeah, this is 1 0.
No, ma'am, in J,
In J, 1 0 is
X. Don't care.
okay. Once again. It is don't care. And then for 3, it is 1.
0,
No?
1 is 1.
Okay. Is this correct?
No, ma'am, for 3 it's
No,
don't
no.
care, and for 1 it's 1.
For 1, it is 1 now.
Ma'am, the earlier table was right, ma'am.
The earlier one was correct for my thing.
Yes, ma'am, that
ma'am,
was correct.
it is
Yes,
correct.
ma'am. First one is correct.
This is correct. Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
now,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
now for J, you write equation. J is equals to, you'll have only one pair. That is D. Okay. Now K, if you're going to write, it's going to be this one. It's going to be D bar. So now this is the equation. Now if you see, we'll draw JK flip-flop, JK bar. You know, when I was telling you about JK, I said J is set, K is reset. So that becomes, in bracket, I will just write S and R. Okay, now how S and R is converted to D with a NOT gate? Yes or no? S is directly sent to D, your D is directly sent to S, and the NOT of is send it to R. Yes or no? So similarly,
ma'am.
if you see in this assumption where S is J and R is K, now see, for J, we are directly sending D. For R, that is K, we are sending the NOT. So you should analyze like this also in the other way. Though your equation, you bahart the K-map, you execute the K-map and you draw, but general analysis also you have to try to do. We know where I have many times stated where J is always set and K is reset. So if you assume in that way also, where you are telling S and R, J and K, you see directly D is connected to J and R is connected to D bar. So now don't you say this is JK, which is converted to D flip-flop, and this is the outputs. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm for
Yes,
today's
ma'am.
okay. Now I'm going for another type of flip-flop conversion. That is, and another one in front of me. You people are going to design. Now I'm going to convert SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop. So I'm going to convert. This is little complicated because it is many things mixed together. You have to tell me this very correctly. Now I'm going to connect, I'm going to design SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop. Please observe what I'm going to do. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to write is table, that is QT plus 1. What is this side? J and K. What is this side? S and R. Okay, this I'm going to do S and R. So your excitation table should be ready for JK for me and SR for me. So now tell me, I'm going to enter the values now. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now you tell me what is JK's entries.
0, 0.
Hey, JK entry for 0, 0, excitation table for JK is 0, don't care, 1,
Don't care.
don't care or don't care 1. don't care,
One don't care.
and
Next is don't care.
0. Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you tell for SR. 0, 0, what is the entries?
0, 0.
For 0, 0, what is SR entry? 0?
0, don't care.
Yeah. For 0, 1?
1, 0.
1, 0. For 1, 0?
0, 1.
0, 1. For 1, 1?
Don't care, 0.
Don't care, 0. Now students, observe correctly. When we were doing SR flip-flop to D flip-flop also, we did the same thing. We know that this don't care which we are spreaded here, it has to be spreaded to 0 and 1. The same thing I told you have to spread this to 0 and 1. Do you remember when we were converting the SR flip-flop to D flip-flop on Saturday's class? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend this table. How I'm going to extend this table? With the same entries. With the same entries. So I have to do the entries again. So QT plus 1, J, K, till here this all will be entry same. So I will write 0, 0, 0, 1. No, that will not be same. So 0, 0, my S and R, I will slightly increase to 0, 0, 0, 1, which will have 0, 0 only. Okay. Now, next is 0, 1, 1, 0, there will not be any change. And then 1, 1, 1, 1. That is 0, to go back. Don't care, 0 it is. So 0, 0, and then 1, 0. Now you tell me the value of these two here. For when it is 0, 1, what is the SR value? When it is 0, 1, tell me the SR value, yeah?
1, 0.
1, 0.
1, 0.
For 1, 0, what is the value? 0, 1. Okay, now you tell me when it is 0, 0, it is 0, don't care. Same thing, 0, don't care. And this is, 1, don't care. This is don't care, 1. And here it should be, when it is 1, 1, you see only this one. Don't care, 0, and don't care, 0. Till here you people understood how I brought this table. Only thing is, if you see from the previous one, I have here don't care. The 0 don't care should be expanded into 2 with the same value of 0, 0, 0 don't care. So it should be the same value. Only thing is R value should be 0 or 1 because it is don't care. See, all other values are same. Only R value is changed. In the similar way, here only there will be a change. The remaining all will be same. So 1, 1, x0 will be same. 1, 1, x0 will be same. Only this value will change. Remaining all will remain the same. So that's all. This only one thing you should understand. Next, you have to draw K-map. K-map for what? For J. So since we have J is equal to, go back to the previous one, we have 3 variables now. We have 3 variables now. So it will be a 3 variable K-map. Go draw a 3 variable K-map. Observe very carefully, students. So what are those 3 variables? What are those 3 variables? First one is S. Second one is R and QT. Is this clear, students? Are you people understanding? Please let me know. Otherwise, I will go slowly. Any one of you answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Is this okay?
Yes, ma'am, it's fine.
Now I will write 0, 1, 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So here numbering you will know, I think 0 1 2, sorry, 3 2 4 5 6 7 and 6. Now you tell me 0 0 0. Go to the table. 0 0 0. First one. What is the value for J? 0. Go and fill 0. Can somebody have the reference of the table and tell me fast, fast? Take a pic of this and tell me fast, fast. We're looking at the mobile. Somebody take a pic of this and let me know the values so that we can make it faster. Did you take it? Okay, for that also you don't have response, yeah? Okay, 0
Yes,
1 0 1 0 0 1. Tell me what is the value?
Don't care.
Don't care. 0 1 1.
Don't care.
Don't care. 0 1 0.
0.
0 0 1 0, sorry, 1 0 0.
1.
1.
1 1 0 1.
Don't care.
Don't care. 0 1 1.
Don't care.
Don't care. 1 1 0.
Don't care.
Don't care. Okay, now you can just tell me what is the equation. So you see there will be a quad being given with, there'll be a quad with the last 4 things. So now if you're going to see, J will be equal to S. Okay. Now we'll go for K. K's truth table. Directly I will not write all the entries 0 0 0 and all. I'll directly enter. You please tell me the value. This side it will be S, this side it will be R, and this side it will be QT. Let me finish this. This will be QT. Okay, now tell me for 0 0 0. K value you should see now. 0 0 0.
Don't care.
Don't care.
Don't care.
Don't care. Okay. 0 0 1.
0.
0 0 1 1.
1.
1 0 1 0.
Don't care.
Don't care.
Don't care. Okay. 1 0 0.
Don't care.
Don't
care.
care. Okay. 1 0 1.
0.
0 was 1 1 1.
Don't care.
Don't care.
Then 1 0 1 1 0.
Don't
Don't
care.
Okay. Now you see there will be a quad again with a combination of S we can't take, for R which will be, sorry, we cannot take S. What will be the equation here? Only common term. Which is the common term? R. So K will be equal to R. I think somewhere you people have gone wrong here. Actually, what are we designing? Can somebody tell me what are we designing?
SR.
SR to JK.
SR to JK. What table we have written, is it correct?
Ma'am, JK should have been at the left side.
Yeah, JK should have been on the left side and SR should have been on the right side. Yes or no?
ma'am.
So even we
Yes, ma'am.
completed the diagram and we have in the last stage. Actually, this also is one of the this one requirement for us, JK to RS. So let's complete that, and I want you people, so let's change the name. It should be, this should be this side. Yes or no? So JK to SR, this what we are solving is JK to SR, not SR to JK. Please understand. It is actually JK to SR. It's not wrong that what we are doing. It's correct. But only thing is we have changed like this. So the next task you will be doing, converting it to SR to JK. How are you doing? So now we'll go back and finish this diagram. So directly we are going to connect R connected to, this will be S, this will be R. So R will be, S will be directly connected to J, R will be directly connected to K. And there'll be a clock pulse being given here. This will be Q and this will be QT. So that's all. So this is the same design how we worked for, we know how we worked for the SR, same thing works for JK also. Now I am giving you 5 minutes time. I want the equation for this conversion. SR to JK, I want the equation for S, I want the equation for R. Make it fast, draw the truth table and do it fast for me. Even you have an option of sharing the screen with whiteboard. Please do it in whiteboard only. So when I say to share, you can share it. Make it fast. Students, make it fast. Make the table, make the equation for me. Conversion of SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop. If you just give me the equation, that will be enough because you will know how to design it. Make it fast because the recursive session meeting will get over in 4 more minutes. So don't delay.
Tilapa.
What? Make it fast. Anyone is going to tell me what is the answer for K and for S and R?
I cannot see the screen only, ma'am.
You cannot see the screen.
Full black lines come.
In mine, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, leave about this. I am not sure. I'm not sharing anything. I want you people to share. I will ask the questions now. Can you see now? Now I'm going to ask, what is S equation you people have got? What is the S equation you people have got? Yes, students. Are you anybody solving? At least that you tell me.
Yes, ma'am, solving.
Yes, ma'am. Solving.
Aisha, where are you solving now? Where have
I'm solving for S, ma'am. 1 second.
yeah.
drawing the K map for S.
Okay. Apurva, can you solve the equation for R? Aisha is
Yes,
anyway
ma'am.
doing for S. Aisha will give an answer for S for us. And you give me
Okay,
an
ma'am.
answer. Karan, what are you doing?
Ma'am, I am solving for S. 1 minute, ma'am, please.
For S, J bar
One
QP.
second. One second. One second. For S, it is
J
S,
bar Q, ma'am.
J bar
J bar
Q.
Q.
Yeah,
Q.
QT. QT. According to us, it is QT. Next for R, K, QT.
K, KQT.
Yes, very good. So if you have got this equation for S and R, I think you people have understood till what I have taught. This is the correct one. Now for this, we'll draw the this one. So from SR, we are going to draw K, this one. So we are going to write S, we are going to write R, we are going to write QT, we are going to write QT bar. Now you take S. There should be an input J for us with a NOT gate given to the output of Q. So what we will do, we will erase this part and we will take this Q, sorry. This line we will get and connect it here. This we will erase. Now, okay, here. We will draw here. Now we'll have another input J with NOT and we'll connect it. Which gate you have to connect here?